Hello. In this video we are going to see how to set up weapon position. First, select our character. Find third-person system script, the main controller. Check always zoom camera checkbox. Select the weapon and lock it on inspector. Now, press play to run the scene. You will start without a weapon. You can see that there is a rifle item in the scene. We are going to get it. Get rifle in the scene. Now, press T on keyboard to get weapon. It plays the animation we set in the previous video. You can see that player is not aiming where we want. Go to IC parameters settings. Change yaw offset and pitch offset to change character aiming direction. For this weapon the best fit is 45 degrees for yaw, and -25 for pitch. Now, let's set weapon position. To do this, pause your game. Now, select your weapon. Change its position to fit the hand. After changing position, I found these parameters as ideal. Now you find your position, copy these data parameters. Now, stop the scene. Go to transform component and paste our data. Also open IK parameter and set 45 and -25 for offset. Now, let's set IK for aid hand IK. First we have to create a game object inside our weapon. Go to the weapon, and then, add a new game object. Name it as you want. Now, drag it to aid hand IK target field on our weapon. After this, press play to run the game. While game is running, we are going to change to scene tab, and move our IK game object around the weapon to find the best fit for left hand. First, we have to select the IK. Go to inspector and unlock its tab. Now, change IK position. After finish, do the same as we did with our weapon, copy the component. Stop the game. Paste the values to IK object. In the next video we are going to finish our weapon setup, adjust fire point and add effects.